Hello, it's Kay at Mudsoul's Pottery, coming to you from Margate. It was sunny today, and I think I've caught the sun in my face, so that's nice. Anyway, I've just recorded my kiln opening, gone to edit, and no sound. My silly microphone, I think I'm going to have to invest in a better microphone. But anyway, I'll upload what I've got with photographs, and yeah, it's a shame because some really great pieces in there. I think it's the best load I've had for a while. But anyway, that's the way it goes. I'm no cinematographer, but I do need a better microphone. Anyway, I hope you enjoy what we've got here. Speak to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already, and tell me your favourite piece. Okay, sorry, I've just been eating crisps, so anyway, been getting ready for a fair tomorrow, so now time to sit down, relax, and watch all of these videos that are being uploaded all at once. Anyway, speak to you soon. Bye.